There's this thing that happens to Qualcomm employees every now and then. It's called the question. It goes like this. You're at a cocktail party, you're chatting with someone, you find out that you're from Qualcomm, and then you get it. You get the question. Hey, you're from Qualcomm. What do you guys do again? Well, and so we thought it was time to explain things a little bit more. And we've managed to categorize everything into 3 big ideas. It wasn't easy, but we did it. And so this first section, we call accelerating mobility. It's really as simple as taking your mobile world and making it better, faster, and more efficient. How do we do that? I so knew you'd ask. Let's start with things in the air and work our way down. HSPA Plus is the make that evolutionary next step for HSPA and WCDMA networks. Oh sure, I can impress you with some crazy up and download speeds, but I won't. Because the best part may be backwards compatibility. It gives network operators more data, more voice, more efficiently, without having to spend a bunch of money to make it happen. Imagine if instead of having to replace the entire engine in your car to get it to go faster, you just add something. That's basically HSPA Plus. Sweet, huh? But wait, don't stop there, because the next generation is LTE, and this is really exciting. Because not only does LTE promise really fast data rates and the ability to boost data capacity in urban areas, but it also works seamlessly with existing 3G networks. Why? Because Qualcomm has busted out the industry's first multi-mode chipsets. That's why. Okay, so now you've got major speed, but how do you utilize it? You use a cellular base station designed for small business or residential use. It's called a femtocell, like that one. It connects to your network via broadband, DSL or cable, and can support up to 5 mobile phones in a residential setting, even if there's no coverage. It's like having your own miniature cell tower that covers 5,000 square feet. Let me see a show of hands. Who wouldn't want their own miniature cell tower? I didn't think so. How about Qualcomm's Snapdragon platform? Because it's changing the way we use our mobile devices. Think benefits of a laptop, with the always connected aspects of a smartphone, except with incredible speed and performance for amazing quality multimedia, GPS, web surfing, social networking, the usual. And you get lower power consumption at the same time. Sign me up for that. You know love means never having to worry about finding a hotspot, right? And with Qualcomm's Gobi, you won't have to. Because Gobi is the first mobile wireless solution that gives you internet, anytime, anywhere. Look, you'd have to agree that mobile technology is really amazing, as long as you can connect, right? With Gobi embedded in your notebook, you can have mobile internet access wherever you can make a phone call. No more worrying, wondering, nothing. Really? And now that we've started to make your mobile world better, faster, and more efficient, we're going to help you keep it organized. No need to thank us. This is just what we do. And we'll start with apps, because it seems to be all about apps these days. One of the things we do is called Plaza Retail. Think of it as a turnkey application store for network operators. Companies use vending machines to give their customers a lot of choice without having to do a lot of the work. Plaza Retail is the same concept, except with apps. One easy spot to buy a lot of applications. You want apps? We got them. It's brilliant. And then there's Xiam, a personalization system for mobile operators. It's like this. The system knows you and it recommends things for music, shopping, games. It's like a digital sixth sense. What you want, when you want it, where you want it. And the third piece in this triumvirate are ideas that make a difference. And let me tell you, there's some very innovative stuff out there. For instance, Qualcomm's Mirasol display, the industry's only reflective display that supports full color and video, all while using a fraction of the power. How does it work? Believe it or not, the screens use natural light in the room to create color, just like what happens in butterflies' wings. How smart are the people that figure out this stuff? And what are the benefits? That's kind of obvious. Super low power, easy to see outside, and definitely more time in between charges. This stuff is fantastic. So all this mobility that we've been talking about requires power, right? What if you could have one universal charging platform for everything? That's eZone, Qualcomm's research initiative, and it can charge multiple devices at the same time and wirelessly. And it doesn't require that anything be put down or aligned in any certain manner, or that they have a special conductive surface. You just put the stuff down and you're done. And check this out. Common metal objects like keys and coins and pens, they do not even interfere. How cool is that? Look, it only makes sense that with mobile devices becoming such a huge part of our everyday lives, that they start emerging as our most important lifestyle management tool. And Qualcomm is right there, totally in the thick of things, working with companies in the medical device field, pharmaceutical, and health service industries to innovate new connected health. Imagine the possibilities. Your health totally connected. Flow TV is just totally mobile TV. It's just a matter of time, right? Traditional broadcast entertainment with wireless mobility. You do love her. And that means it can be used anywhere. Go, 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 score! From accelerating mobility and organizing the world around you to ideas that make a difference. You can see Qualcomm's got a lot going on. Hey, it's a big world. Someone's got to enable it.